A cosmic question. The universe is vast and mysterious. It sparks our curiosity. For centuries, humans have gazed at the stars and wondered, are we alone? Is there life out there beyond our pale blue dot? A 2020 study by astrophysicists at the University of Nottingham reignited this age-old question. The study made headlines around the world. It suggested that there could be dozens of intelligent civilizations in our own galaxy, the Milky Way. The study's findings were both exciting and humbling. Exciting because they suggested that we might not be alone in the universe. Humbling because they reminded us of just how vast and unknown the cosmos truly is. The study also served as a call to action. It encouraged us to intensify our search for extraterrestrial intelligence. The search for life beyond Earth is a search for ourselves. It is a quest to understand our place in the grand scheme of the universe. The search for extraterrestrial intelligence, often shortened to SETI, is a daunting task. It's like searching for a needle in a cosmic haystack. Scientists use a variety of methods to search for signs of alien civilizations. These methods include listening for radio signals, searching for powerful laser pulses, and looking for evidence of large-scale astroengineering projects. However, the vastness of space presents a significant challenge. The Milky Way galaxy alone contains hundreds of billions of stars. Many of these stars likely have their own planetary systems, so how do we even begin to narrow down the search? This is where the famous Drake equation comes in. Developed by astronomer Frank Drake in 1961, this equation attempts to estimate the number of detectable civilizations in our galaxy. The Drake equation is more of a thought experiment than a precise formula. It considers a number of factors or variables that are thought to be important for the development of intelligent life. These variables include the rate of star formation in our galaxy, the fraction of stars that have planets, the number of habitable planets per star, the fraction of habitable planets where life actually emerges, the fraction of life-bearing planets where intelligent life evolves, the fraction of intelligent civilizations that develop technology capable of interstellar communication, and the length of time that such civilizations release detectable signals into space. By plugging in estimates for each of these variables, we can arrive at an estimate for the number of detectable civilizations in our galaxy. However, the Drake equation has been a subject of much debate. This is because many of the variables are highly uncertain. Section 4, Assumptions and Estimates, the foundation of the study. The 2020 study by the University of Nottingham researchers attempted to refine the Drake equation by focusing on a few key assumptions. First, they assumed that intelligent life is most likely to arise on planets that orbit stars similar to our Sun. This is because our Sun is a relatively stable and long-lived star. Second, they assumed that intelligent life would need a certain amount of time to evolve. They set this time frame at roughly 5 billion years, which is similar to the time it took for intelligent life to evolve on Earth. Finally, they assumed that intelligent civilizations would eventually develop the technology to communicate across interstellar distances. Based on these assumptions, the researchers estimated that there could be as many as 36 communicating civilizations in our galaxy right now. Section 5, 36 civilizations, a realistic estimate. The study's estimate of 36 civilizations has been met with both excitement and skepticism. Some scientists believe that the estimate is too high. They argue that the researchers were too optimistic in their assumptions. For example, some critics point out that we have no way of knowing how long intelligent civilizations typically survive. It's possible that most civilizations destroy themselves relatively quickly. This could be through nuclear war or environmental destruction. If this is the case, then the number of active civilizations in our galaxy at any given time could be much lower. Other scientists believe that the estimate of 36 civilizations could be too low. They argue that the researchers may have underestimated the number of planets that could support life. And for example, recent discoveries have shown that even planets outside the traditional habitable zone could potentially harbor life. These planets might have subsurface oceans or other environments that could support life as we know it. Section 6, the vastness of space and the limits of detection. Even if there are dozens or even hundreds of intelligent civilizations in our galaxy, detecting them is a monumental challenge. The Milky Way is a vast place. It spans over 100,000 light-years across. This means that a signal from a civilization on the other side of the galaxy would take tens of thousands of years to reach us. Furthermore, we can only detect signals if we are pointing our telescopes in the right direction at the right time. It's also possible that other civilizations are using communication technologies that we haven't even discovered yet. Our current methods of searching for extraterrestrial intelligence are limited by our own technological understanding. It's like trying to catch a fish in the ocean using a butterfly net. We may be missing out on a whole spectrum of signals. Section 7. The future of the search, new technologies and enduring hope. Despite the challenges, the search for extraterrestrial intelligence is a worthwhile endeavor. It expands our understanding of the universe and our place within it. As our technology continues to advance, we will be able to search for signs of life in new and innovative ways. We are developing more powerful telescopes, more sophisticated data analysis techniques, and new ways of searching for technosignatures, which are signs of technology developed by intelligent civilizations. The search for extraterrestrial intelligence is ultimately a search for ourselves. It is a quest to understand the nature of intelligence, the origins of life, and the possibilities of the future. Whether or not we ever find definitive proof of alien civilizations, the search itself will continue to inspire us. It will push the boundaries of our knowledge and remind us that we are part of something much larger than ourselves. So the next time you look up at the stars, remember that we are not alone in our wonder. There may be others out there asking the same questions, gazing back at us across the vast cosmic ocean.